Hello viewers, you're welcome to Anatomy Simplified 365. In today's video we're going to learn about the foot, and right here this is how the foot appears. It falls under the lower limbs. These are the bones of the foot. We have the calcaneus here, we have the talus, we have the cuboid bone, we have the navicular bone, and the three cuneiforms, the lateral, intermediate, and medial. And then we have the 5 metatarsals and 14 phalanges right there. On the superior view, we have the calcaneus here, we have the talus here, and a joint in between them called the subtalar joint. And then we have the medial tarsal joint that is between the navicular, cuboid, and then talus and calcaneus. And then we have these 3 cuneiform bones, the medial, the intermediate, and the lateral. The 5 metatarsals are right here, and the 14 phalanges are there. However, the first toe, or the big toe, has only 2 phalanges. That is only the proximal and distal. So it has only proximal and distal here. However, the remaining phalanges have the proximal, the intermediate, and the distal. So they have 3, making 14 in number. The foot is divided into 3 parts. We have the hind foot that comprises of the calcaneus and talus, the midfoot that comprises of the cuboid, navicular, and the 3 cuneiforms, and then the forefoot that comprises of the 5 metatarsals and the 14 phalanges. This is another illustration. This is what we talked about. The hind foot is right there, the midfoot is right here with 5 bones, hind foot has 2 bones, and then the forefoot is right there with 5 plus 14, those are 19 bones. This is another illustration from the anterior view. However, it does not show the calcaneus because the calcaneus is underneath the talus, so the talus obstructs the view of the calcaneus. So the same bones are here. The least frank joint is a joint between the metatarsals and the tarsals. The tarsal-metatarsal joint is also called a least frank joint. So we can see the metatarsals right here, and then the tarsals over there. When you look at an x-ray, this is briefly how these bones appear. Calcaneus is right here and talus is right there. This is the cuboid. Then we have the metatarsals on the other view. We have them here. We have the phalanges right here. The first toe has only 2, the proximal and distal. Then these ones have 3. We have the proximal, we have the intermediate, we have the distal. Same thing here, same thing here. Like that. And then we have the navicular right here and cuboid right there. We have the medial cuneiform right here, intermediate right there, and then the lateral is somewhere here, but due to superimpositioning we cannot clearly see it there. However, these others we can see them. This is what we see. The metatarsals are here, phalanges are there, calcaneus here, talus there, navicular there, then we have the cuneiforms and cuboid on the other side. Thank you for watching. This is briefly what we can learn about the foot today. In the other videos we shall be learning more and more other interesting things. Keep it Anatomy Simplified. See you in the next video.